Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to use the nested if function in Google Sheet. The nested if function is used when you want to check multiple conditions one after the other. Let's understand it with a simple example. We have a list of students and their marks. Now we want to assign grades based on the marks. If marks are 80 or above, grade is A. If marks are 60 or above, grade is B. If marks are 40 or above, grade is C. Otherwise, grade is F. Click on the first empty cell next to the mark columns. Now type this formula. Now press enter and you will see the grade. Drag the formula down to apply it to all students. That's how you use the nested if function in Google Sheet to test multiple conditions in a single formula. It's simple and powerful. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more Google Sheet tips. Thanks for watching.